My friends, I have gotten this gift from a friend of mine. These are pure copper mugs by the brand of Copure, and they're very good for making Moscow Mule, and that's exactly what I'm going to intend to do right now. For this recipe, we're going to start by filling up our mug or copper mug completely with ice. We're going to use about 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to top this off with ginger beer. Now we're going to cut half a lime, and we're going to squeeze this half of lime that we just cut right over our drink. This we can stir a little bit, and we're pretty much all done with our drinks. I have some lime wheels that I have previously cut, some mint, and we're ready to enjoy our Moscow Mule. And the good thing about this pure copper mug, it gets cold very fast. It's about 16 ounces, so it's fairly large. You can play around with the recipe, more vodka, less vodka, more ginger beer or less, and adjust it to your taste. The key thing here is this copper mug. Again, I'm leaving a link in the description below so that you can go check it out. With that being said, I'll be seeing you on the next one.